How's it going, everybody? Today I'm doing a quick review on the SIG Sauer SP2022. I purchased this handgun probably about maybe a year ago, and I will say that it is my favorite 9mm handgun which I own, and I do own three. Um, a couple of the cool features on this pistol that you don't really commonly see on other similar price pistols is this is a double action. Oh, let's safety check it. It's safe. Clear. It is a double action, which means like a revolver, you have the heavy trigger pull, and single action. So like a revolver, you can do a single action. I like that a lot. If you ever want to keep one in the chamber, you have the safety of having the double action. And if you don't, if you're just out, shooting and you want to just have that quick follow-up shots, and you just put it back on single. Another thing that I like a lot about this pistol is it does come with the SIG Light night sights. And I know you can't see right now, but at night these things glow very, very bright. And pretty much in pitch black, you could see where you're aiming. And for me, that's a plus because having a flashlight, not only is it big and bulky and take up a lot of space, but you give away your position to whatever intruder happens to be inside your home. So I feel like the night sights coming standard on here is a very good plus. I did pay $469 for this pistol, brand new. Another feature that I do like is the back strap comes off, so pretty much all of this slides off, and there's three different sizes. It comes with two. The third one that doesn't come with it is the biggest one, and it has no texturing on here. It's pretty much, it just says SIG Pro, and it's just all this type of plastic. But that's okay because I don't have really big hands, so I don't need that one. It does come with a lot though. It comes with this SIG case, lockable case. And inside the case, we have the medium-sized adjustable backstrap grip, a second magazine, and a holster. Now this holster is really good. You don't need a belt or anything. I could wear basketball shorts and this will fit on there really well. It's pretty much molded to fit this pistol, so it's perfect fit, and I think it's just a nice addition. Now I do have the SIG Sauer V-Crown Jacket hollow points. This didn't come with the pistol, but these are about $15 at Big Five, so I figured, you know what, just get them. All right, so the accuracy on this pistol is very good. I do own two other 9mm, and they are not as accurate as this one is. I mean, I shoot them at the same time with the same ammo from the same distance and same target, and this is by far every single time a lot more accurate. The only thing that I wish this thing had is a loaded chamber indicator. It doesn't. So you'd have to visually inspect it to see if it's loaded. But I don't normally keep it loaded, so I'm pretty safe with my handgun, so that's not really a big issue. If I'm ready to use it, I'll have it ready. If I'm not using it, it won't be ready. So that's just the way I am. Compared to my SD9 Smith & Wesson, which is pretty much a clone or copy of a Glock, you can see that the sights are higher on the SIG. So I guess they call that the bore axis is higher. But I personally like that because they are the exact same as a 1911. So for me, I love my 1911, and having a 9mm with pretty much, it's not the same exact thing as the 1911, but the sights are pretty much the same height and everything. So for me, I actually like that. That's an advantage. Um, the trigger is really well made. It feels really good on your finger. It's metal. It's not plasticky. It's really positive. This one, it has a real plasticky trigger, and it's not that great. But honestly, for the price, for under about 500 bucks for something, depending on where you find it, I would highly recommend this for a first gun, second gun, third gun. If you need a really good 9mm that's reliable, really well made, and you can pretty much depend your life on, I would say pick one up. Um, my friend has a Glock, and honestly, I prefer this over the Glock. The Glock does cost a little bit more, probably like $60 more. I know the Glocks are customizable, and I know all the Glock stuff. You don't have to tell me, but my own preference, I much rather have this than a Glock. I just feel like SIG Sauer, they did a really good job when they designed this. Now, I will say one thing though: the Glocks or Glock style pistols are skinnier and they're a little bit smaller, but for me that doesn't really matter because this is a lightweight, fun shooting pistol, and I'm not concealed carrying this. I have other smaller guns for concealed carry, so that's not something for me. This is just my nighttime home defense, and mainly 99.999% of the time just shooting it at the range, having fun. 9mm is a really affordable caliber to shoot. I was gonna get the 40, but you know what? I don't. You're almost paying as much as you'd pay for 45 and ammo buying a 40. So I figured 9mm is the way to go. Easier to find, cheaper to shoot, and all around just fun to shoot. All right, well that's pretty much it. I would highly recommend this pistol, and I think that anybody that does or is on the table about considering it, you should go down to the shop, put it in your hands, check it out, and I guarantee you, once you feel it in your hands, you're gonna fall in love like I did. All right, well, thanks very much for watching my review, and hope this helped you guys out.